Is there a way to actually automate your network marketing business? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video, because you're probably one of those people that have had success in this network marketing space, but you're realizing that it does take a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of work to connect with new humans and to connect with people in order to build your business. And so if you're anything like me, about 5 years ago when I got started in this network marketing business, I was like, okay, this is amazing. I love network marketing, but there's got to be an easier way to build, because I can't sit there in Facebook groups and I can't sit there and connecting to more humans, and cold marketing does not work for me. I feel very spammy sending out cold messages to people, right? And so I was like, okay, there's got to be a way to automate some of this business. And so if you are a network marketer, if you're looking to build a business online, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I always put on content on what's working now in the industry to help you build your business, right? And so what I have found in the many, many years that I've been doing network marketing is, first off, there is not a 100% way to automate your business. You still have to be human, you still have to connect with people, but there is a way to get people to come to you for you to carry on the conversations. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to link for you over here a video that I made on how I recruit hundreds and hundreds of people into my business. So it's my recruiting tips. I'm going to link it over for you over here. So make sure you watch that after this video, so you can use the language and the posture, because once you get people into your funnel, so to speak, that's when you have to actually have some strategy on how to close and how to bring the business builders into you. But there is a way, there are two ways actually that I have found that you can automate the building of your business and the connecting with more humans, right? So I want to first explain to you that when you are doing network marketing, online marketing, whatever it is, you're building some sort of something online, it is like a funnel, right? And so if you think about a funnel, it goes like this. And you've got to have a lot of leads coming in on top, and then it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. And those are the people that either buy your product or join your team or whatever it may be, right? And so the key to success is to have people coming into the top of your funnel. Well, you can do that the old-fashioned way by doing reach outs, doing the Facebook groups, whatever it may be, right? But it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of energy. So how do you actually automate some of this? Let's talk about it. So there's two different ways. One is Facebook ads, right? And that actually takes you down the rabbit hole. And trust me, I have done it myself. It takes you down the rabbit hole of what online marketing is. And online marketing is where you're creating, let's say, a lead magnet, and you've got automated emails, and maybe you've got an offer that you can offer them, right? And you're usually filling that top part with leads through Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, whatever it may be. It is paid advertisement to get people into the top of your funnel. But it's automated, because then what happens is the funnel, so to speak, will have the conversation. They'll send the emails. They'll qualify people for you with the questions that you can ask them. And then at the end, when they're ready to have that conversation with you, if they're still qualified, that's when you can get on the phone. That's when you can get on Zoom, whatever it may be, and you can connect with them and see if it's a good fit for your business, right? So that is more Facebook ads, right? But know that there's going to be a lot of money that comes out, because you're going to be paying ad spend, right, to get people into your funnel. And does it work? It absolutely works. One of the problems that I personally had when I was doing it was that I found that I was paying a ton per lead, and I wasn't getting quality leads, right? So I was paying maybe upwards to $100, $200 per lead, and those people weren't really quality leads, and then it didn't really amount to much. And so for me, it just, could I have found a rock star? Absolutely, I could have found a rock star, but it wasn't working for me. And so what I started to do is I started to actually move over here onto YouTube, and I started to build my business on YouTube. And this is actually the second way that you can automate your network marketing business. But again, it's not quite automated, because I do have to show up on YouTube. I do put out content every single week on YouTube. I put out well-curated videos, just like the video that you're seeing over here right now. So definitely make sure you subscribe, and give it the hearts and the thumbs up if you are finding value in this. But what I have found with YouTube is that I can put out one quality video a week, and I have basically automated my network marketing business. What does that mean? It means that I bring in between 5 and 7 business builders every single month from people that have watched my YouTube videos, and I've sold upwards to $17,000 in personal sales of product from my company because of my YouTube channel. And so this strategy though is all organic, which means I haven't paid a dime for any videos that you have seen over on my YouTube channel or any of the success that I've had over on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in learning more about how I built my business on YouTube, I've got my free masterclass. I'm gonna put it in the description of this video so you can check out how to actually organically, meaning no paid ads, right? Learn how to use YouTube to grow your network marketing business, to grow your influence. And so then what happens is I send people through my videos that are interested in the opportunity and or the product. I send them the link and then we connect, right? But again, my YouTube videos are the top of my funnel, so to speak, where they're getting lots and lots of views. And I love that these views last for years and years on end. It does not go away, right? These videos, you might be seeing this video maybe 2 years from now and still getting value from it. And that's the beauty of YouTube, is that your content lasts a lifetime versus maybe 20 minutes over on social media, right? So somebody watches my video about my company and then I put them through the funnel and then they can message me and we can see if it's a good fit and or we can see if the products are a good fit for them. So this has literally been the only way, and I have tried lots and lots and lots of ways. I've tried bots, I've tried everything to automate my network marketing business, but nothing has given me the success that I've wanted that hasn't cost me a fortune, right? YouTube is free, so that's amazing, is I just have to put out these great pieces of content every single week. I use nothing more than my phone and my ring light. I don't have any fancy equipment. I don't do a ton of fancy editing, and it's been nothing short of amazing. So if you want to learn how to use YouTube to grow your business organically and how to automate it, so to speak, definitely make sure in the description of this video you click that link, because I give you my free masterclass on how I have personally been able to automate my network marketing business to the best of my abilities, right? I still have to be human. I still have to connect with people. I still have to have those conversations, but I also want to make sure that I have qualified somebody before they join my team, because I put out a ton of value to my team and I do a ton of leadership training that I don't just want to take anybody that is interested in network marketing. So I think it's important that we realize that as much as we want to automate the entire process, there really is no such thing as true automation. Network marketing is a business. It needs to be treated like a business. It needs to be, you need to show up. If you want a full-time income, you need to treat it like a full-time job. And so while I'm not sitting here sending cold messages or building, connections within Facebook groups, my YouTube does it for me. I don't want you to ever think that it's not me working my business. And anybody that tells you that network marketing is easy, definitely make sure you run the other way, because it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of time. But I have found a way to automate it for me and not pay a fortune in online marketing, ads, all of that. So definitely make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.